Okay, now we're going to talk about vectors specifically having to do with force, because that's what we're going to be concerned with in this class. So vectors, we've already talked about them. They have magnitude and direction, such as position, force, and the notation we use for them is we give them a variable like a, but then we put this little line over it. And that should remind you in geometry of a ray, where it has a starting point and it goes in one direction. And that's basically what a vector is. So for example, this is how we draw it. We give the direction of it with the angle, and we give the magnitude by showing how long the line is. So in this case, it's 3. And we do indicate if we're talking about 30 degrees, we typically place them like this, where this is the x-axis going up 30 degrees, but we can place them and use a different orientation for this. And then we have a sense, which might be new to you, even if you've seen vectors before. And really, this is just a general description. For example, this is up and to the right. So to kind of get the idea of this up and this sense part, up and to the right, down and to the right, down and to the left, and up and to the left. Notice that the positives, negatives go just like we've seen in math. So down and to the left, x and y are negative. Here, just y is negative. Now we have another little review from geometry. Angles in a triangle add up to 180. We're talking about right triangles here, so we have a 90-degree angle. And we have Pythagorean theorem. Hypotenuse equals a squared plus b squared. And our trig functions that you've done in geometry. Sine, opposite over hypotenuse. Remember the side opposite the angle, that's the opposite side. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is opposite over adjacent. If you don't remember this, you should look through this, and I'm going to have a video posted that has a little review of SOHCAHTOA.